Alright, we have our flasher here. Wanted to show you a little bit about this. You can adjust the sequence, or the pulse, of the flashing unit by just taking a screwdriver. Let me see, let me switch my hands. Over to here. Clockwise for faster. Counterclockwise for slower. Let's see. So that's the slowest it will go. Alright, and let's take that up. This would be nice for a bicycle. When you're riding at night, or this thing's a real eye catcher, that's for sure. It's a nice orange, clear lens LED. Alright.